If you want to learn how to make these simple captions in After Effects without using any plugin, let me show you. First, we need to open new composition and create a text layer. Expand the text layer and go to Animate, Add Position. Then go Add Property and Opacity. Set down opacity to 0, make position 100 down. Then open Range selector, add offset keyframe at the beginning -100, go 1 second forward, add another keyframe 100. Open Advance, change shape to ramp up. And make ease low 100, ease high 30. For smooth animation, select offset keyframe, right click, keyframe assistant, ease or just press F9. Then open graph editor, make sure you edit speed graph and adjust the graphic. And for animate out, select keyframes, copy with Ctrl C and paste Ctrl V. Right click, keyframe assistant, select time reverse keyframe. And your animation is done. But this text looks basic, so I want to separate my text into two lines and change bottom parts, font, size and color. Now it looks more aesthetic. Go Effects panel and add glow effect to your text. Adjust radius and intensity. Then right click text layer, layer styles, select inner shadow. Find inner shadow in text layer and change opacity to 50. Let's make shine effect. Go effect panel again and add CC light sweep. Drag this dot beginning of the text, make width 70. Go where you want to start shine effect and add center keyframe. Go forward and drag this dot to end of the text. Ease your keyframe. Your caption is completely done. Of course, you can change your fonts, colors and styles. Let's continue with second text style. This time go to text layer, animate, add blur and opacity. Increase blur and add keyframe at the beginning. Set down opacity to 0, add keyframe again. Go 1 second forward, blur 0. And set opacity 100. Then ease keyframes. Adjust graphic for smooth animation. Select text layer, press S to open scale. Select this icon and drag this dot to center of text. Add scale keyframe at the beginning 125, then 100. Ease the keyframes. Press U for open all keyframes and copy paste. Keyframe assistant, time reverse keyframe. Animation part is done. For the style, right click text layer, layer styles and select gradient overlay. Expand the gradient overlay and edit gradient. You can change color if you want. Add glow effect and adjust. Last step, right click layer again, layer styles, select bevel and emboss. Go to settings and change style to emboss. Our second text is done. Write your text, go animate, add opacity and set 0. Open range selector, add offset keyframe at the beginning -100, 1 second forward 100. Open advance, change shape to ramp up. Make ease low 100, ease high 30. Ease the keyframes. Close Animator 1 and go Animate, Fill Color, RGB. Select your color. Open Range Selector again Do same keyframes for offset, but move the keyframes a few frames forward. Select shape ramp up. Ease low 100, ease high 30. Ease the keyframes. Select all offset keyframes and copy paste. Time reverse keyframes. This time move to bottom keyframes backward a bit. Everything is done. You can combine every animation, style, color and effects for your caption. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.